friends, welcome. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're feeling fabulous because you are. Thank you for allowing me the opportunity to bring you messages from Spirit, your angels, your spirit guides, maybe even soulmates or twin flames. I am getting a feeling from Spirit that this is a message for the collective. So we are going to go right ahead and dive right in with the tarot. And then we may be pulling some oracles. Spirit, you've brought us here for these messages for the collective. What is it they need to know? What do they need to hear? Knight of Cups. All right. Okay, so a message is going to be coming in, or perhaps you have one that needs to get out. But some communication is going to be happening for you. I'm feeling it's taking some time already for this communication to take place. Somebody's got something to say, but they're holding back, taking their time. We have the Four of Swords. You know, somebody's been praying, thinking, taking a break, even. I feel like this message has been meant to be for quite some time. Again, something is not holding you or them back. There's a strong desire to want to communicate, but there's somebody's dragging their feet. Spirit, please tell me a little bit more. Perhaps about the collective, our friends who are drawn to this reading. What are their energies all about? Queen of Wands. Okay. So you are a very strong-willed, grounded, mature soul. You have a lot of drive and motivation. You're very accepting. I feel with this volcano in the background, this communication is going to happen. I am feeling something is going to erupt. There's going to be emotions boiling over. So someone wants to come to you, collective. I feel like not only do they want to open up to you, but I feel like there is a very strong sense of desire for you and passion for you. They look at you as someone that they want to put on a pedestal. They have been putting on a pedestal secretly. But I feel like you are aware. Your intuition has led you to feeling their desires for you. So it's kind of, you know what's going on, but they don't know you know what's going on. We have the Chariot. Someone's got it bad for you, collective. I feel like they get the courage at certain points, but then something makes them back down, makes them go in a different direction. Yeah, the Three of Swords is what's making them back down. They're so afraid of you rejecting them. Okay. I am being drawn to the hidden truth. Okay. This connection is wanting to get a message or messages to you. Spirit, for the highest good only. Positive messages only. What is it that this connection wants our friend to know? What do they want the Queen of Wands to know? I hide behind material things. Interesting. So this could be somebody that instead of opening up to you and telling you how they feel, I don't feel that they're showering you with gifts because they don't want to be so obvious, but they do little things that they know or think or hope will make you happy, will make you smile. They may bring you coffee. They may bring you the newspaper, or, you know, they might straighten up this area for you. So it is a connection that you do interact with. I'm not quite clear how yet. But they do little things for you. They're smitten with you. I left when I saw you with someone, so they've shied away from you at some point. That's why it's taking them so long to open up to you. Okay. Again, the Three of Swords at the bottom of the deck. They're worried that you're going to break their heart. Spirit, can you tell me a little bit more about how this connection fits in with our friends? How are they connected? How does this connection know and come to love our friend? Ace of Swords. Okay, so there was a new start that brought the two of you together. I almost feel like someone else's idea brought you two together. There could have been something online. You may have met them online. Whatever this was, brought you two together and allowed you two to connect regarding this topic, this idea, this notion. So you do have something in common with them. It is an interest that has to do with, I want to say, mindset. You may have taken a course with them. Again, it could even be an online course. Something ties you two together that has to do with philosophy, research, focusing, perspectives. I feel like it was a short-lived connection as far as the source that brought you two together. That source was short-lived, but the connection remains. Oh, at the bottom of the deck, yeah, something closed. So I feel like whatever it is that brought you together is now over, but this connection is still thinking of you. They're still wanting to reach out to you, to talk to you, to connect with you on an emotional level. They think about you a lot. They dream about you. They pray for the time that they open up to you. Oh, goodness. The Three of Swords. Wow. It is definitely what they fear. This card is all about potential future, and they fear that their potential future with you is bleak because they have seen you with someone else and they're not sure what the relationship status is. It could be a platonic friend. Is that an oxymoron? I think it is. But it could just be a friend that they saw you with, but they don't know. They don't know you that well. Again, they only know you, or you two had recently met through this common idea. Six of Swords. Every time they get on their horse and start to travel your way and gravitate towards you, they find themselves going in the opposite direction because they worry too much. Yeah. With the Chariot, exactly. Alright. We have Strength. They do admire you. They look at you as someone who is very vibrant, very full of life. Whatever this connection is or was between the two of you, of how you met, they do like the contribution that you made. They feel that it took a lot of courage for you to open up with regards to this, again, this idea. This could be an online seminar, this could be a class, anything that would have connected you two to where comments would have been made. There might have been a chat session. They also look at you as someone who is very mature, very got your stuff together. But they're so afraid of the Three of Swords. They're afraid that you're going to shield yourself away from them. You're not going to allow yourself to get to know them better. They definitely see you as someone with a lot of fire, a lot of drive. This is Aries energy here. And again, they want to make you their queen or king. Maybe their emperor. Take it how it resonates. Okay, I am, before we finish up with the Divine, I am being drawn to the Chakra wisdom for you, friends. Spirit, is this about this love connection, the one who is in love with our friends, or is this about our friends? You have guided me to the chakra. What needs focused? What needs to be zeroed in on? Alright, I feel two of them. We're taking them both. We have confusion. Yeah. They may very well be confused about this person that they saw you with. Perhaps their intuition is not on. Again, they have been praying about you. They're just very much in love with you. That perhaps all of their other feelings are just a little hazy. Isolation. They fear that you're going to isolate them completely if they open up themselves to you. Yeah, with this suit, yeah, this knight wants to come to you in a formal manner and open up their heart to you and tell you how they feel about you. It is taking them so much time, and when they draw back, you see this horse? Oh, that's actually not a horse. It looks like a horse, and then when I really look at it, it looks more like a wolf. But there's a fear holding you back, and it's all in their head. So they then isolate themselves, and they start to confuse themselves because their heart and their root is telling them to progress with you, but they just can't seem to get it right. They don't know how to do it. Okay. They anticipate the tower. Wow. Spirit. Yep. Temperance. You definitely are somebody who is passionate, friends. You, whether you're a fire sign or not, you have a lot of drive, a lot of motivation. You're very confident. Your spirit guides are saying that when this person comes to you, it's going to take them a while. I almost feel like for some of you, with this temperance, again, you know, I stated that earlier on. You know. They just don't know that you know. And you're waiting patiently. Some of you. You too have also been praying for them to break loose and open up to you. You're a traditional kind of person, and you would like them to open up to you. Excuse me. My apologies. Friends, if this resonates with you, I certainly hope that everything works out in your favor. I hope there's no heartbreaking, no Three of Swords here, but if it is, well, let it be. If this reading does not resonate with you, I certainly hope that you at least found it entertaining. Please give me a thumbs up, leave a kind comment below, and if you liked my vibe, please subscribe. Until next time, stay absolutely fabulous. Bye.